He will be looking after you.
10 years I looked after those who died at sea.
You look after yourself?
Can you look after the kids for a minute?
And look after us like we've been looking after you for the past 5 years.
Hey, I'm gonna go into town and look for a job.
Every day, me dad would look for a job, but somehow he never seemed to get one.
Go out and look for a job.
Look for Parkside, overlooking the parade.
Look for a new angle.
Cobb's drawing Fisher's attention to the strangeness of the dream, which is making his subconscious look for the dreamer.
Katie, look for the keys.
I'd say business is looking up.
Damn, this job is looking up.
Well, could be things are looking up.
Well, things are looking up here, huh? Things are looking up.
Look up the word sweet potato in my dictionary over there, Mac.
Look up the word, please, and tell me what it says.
Just look up the word handsome in the dictionary.
And I'm gonna look up the name of that gum when I get home.
Yeah, look up the name for me, will you?
Look up the address at Wireless International, will you?
Okay, I'm gonna look up the address for this agency and go there in person.
And look up the number for the restaurant Fantasy et Romantique.
Just look up the number for me.
Then look up the number for the CIA in New York.
Hey, look out, a bee.
Look out, Brock! Look out!
Look into the boy's story.
I just want to make sure that we look into all the possibilities here.
I am just suggesting that we listen to our doctor and look into all the options.
And I finally got a chance to really look into Lionel Shrike, his comeback attempt, his accident.
And you want me to look into this amnesia question, see what he actually knows?
Yeah.
There are certainly options we can look into.
I look forward to the cocktail.
I look forward to seeing you in class. And listen, I look forward to seeing this show run at my theater for many, many years to come.
I look forward to seeing you again at Lincoln Center.
I look forward to seeing you.
We have something to look forward to.
I look forward to reading your responses on Monday.
Crazy cults that look forward to the end of the world.
We were taught to look down on them.
I don't look down on them. Just you.
Over there, nobody will look down on her, because I will make her speak only perfect American English.
I don't look down on him.
Cats look down on you.
My friends look down on me.
What? You look down on me because I work for a living, don't you?
Jake, these kids, they look up to us.
I know you look up to her and all, but I don't think you think it's going so good.
And I still look up to her.
I wanted you to look up to me.
All the kids look up to you.
Your friends wouldn't mind because they look up to us.
Look up to us.
Okay, I'll give you a minute to look over the menu.
I will give you two a few minutes to look over the menu.
Can I get you something to drink while you look over the menu?
Give you boys a minute to look over the menu.
So if you look over the budget, we'll talk later, okay?
Well, you might want to look over that budget again.
Just looking around.
In fact, I'm looking around this place.
Looked around the block.
Catch your breath and look around.
Look around!
I mean, I look around and it's like heaven.
Just looking ahead, dear.
No looking ahead, no tomorrows, just today.
Oh, and hey, just to look ahead, after the break, we're going to be diving into the cool Herc materials.
They got nothing to look ahead to.
You must look ahead a little, sir.
And I look ahead.
You look through my notes.
I'll have to look through my notes.
Do you want to look through the photos together?
All right, don't look through the photos or the text.
Okay. Have you had a chance to look through the paperwork?
Did you even look through the rest of the book?
Because once I got out, I never looked back.
And from there, I went to college and never looked back.
All these years you looked back on that day, drunk on the memory of its perfection.
You know what they say about Neanderthal? Once you try it, you never look back.
You know, when I look back on this, I won't remember performing and competing.
So you want to look out for the little guy, you want to do your part, make the world a better place, all that, right?
Well, he's got to look out for the little guy, right?
You know, we underdogs have to look out for each other, right?
To look out for each other.
We're brothers, and brothers look out for each other.
They look out for each other.
Look out for each other.
Well, I should look at them before you go.
Look at them. Don't look at them.
Katie, look at him.
Look at him.
You don't think I see the way you look at him?
Look at you.
Look at you.
At me.
Have you looked up and down Main Street?
Just looked up and down the whole train.
I've looked up and down this boat and I can't find Mr. Holden.
This boy, just look him up and down and shout through to my mother in the kitchen, Hillary, we're going to need more turkey.
And this time I look him up and down.
To which I look him up and down and realize, oh my God, I had just given the cops.
Look up and down the coast here.
And I look up and down the road.
They look to us for the protection and justice.
They look to us for guidance.
The great houses look to us for leadership, and this threatens the emperor.
We looked to him for guidance, and we heard him.
The people look to you, Inspector, to find those responsible.
Your men are going to look to you to make the right decisions.
One day this planet will look to you, Leia.
Well, I might have looked away once or twice.
You looked away.
I mean, I just looked away for a second, just a split second.
Look away, child.
She has to look away.
You look away from your bag for 3 seconds these days.
Don't look away!
You have to look out for yourself in this world, you know.
You have to look out for yourself, Claire.
That's why you just gotta look out for yourself.
You've got to look out for yourself.
So you can look out for yourself, can you?